Breaking right now at 4 on CBS News Philadelphia, holding out for a hero. The owner of Crozer Chester Medical Center and Taylor Hospital intends to close both facilities within a matter of days, leaving a gaping hole in health care in Delaware County. A judge isn't pulling the plug, though, just yet, hoping anyone will save the embattled health care system. A news conference is planned at any moment now. We expect to hear from the nurses union, other health care and elected officials as well, who are demanding these facilities stay open. Now, a closure could also mean thousands without jobs. Good afternoon to you, everyone. We're also streaming live on CBS News Philadelphia. I'm Natasha Brown.
And I'm Siaf Lewis. We begin our team coverage with Chief Investigative Reporter Joe Holden. He is in Chester this afternoon with the very latest ahead of that press conference. Joe.
Yeah, good afternoon, Siafa and Natasha. This is a complicated state of affairs, but here's what you need to know. Lawyers for Prospect Medical Holdings went before a federal bankruptcy judge earlier this Thursday and gave warnings about a possible closure for the entire Crozer Health system here in Delaware County. Now, the judge overseeing the case is based in Dallas, Texas. Sources have told CBS News Philadelphia a tentative plan to wind down operations here, not only at Crozer Chester Medical Center, but also across the health system, could be next Friday. County emergency sources have told me they've been developing reaction plans should that happen. They say this is a worst case scenario. One source said, when you call 911, we'll be there to help, but we may not know where we're taking you. In today's court hearing, the federal judge said her hope is that a hero is out there and can bail out the health system. State and local officials have said this closure was possible going back to October, when the Attorney General's office sued Prospect Medical, alleging financial mismanagement upwards of $500 million and neglect. I spoke with Chester's mayor a short time ago. Do you think people are considering Chester in this bankruptcy court?
Bankruptcy in Texas, huh? Filed in Texas for a hospital that sits here in the city of Chester. I just left the senior center here in the city of Chester, and I gave them the news that it doesn't look good, that their hospital may be going away. They're still in disbelief. They're still in denial. It's a city in denial. They can't believe that this hospital could be closing ever, let alone within the next 7 days.
And we are back live here. This is just outside Crozer Chester Medical Center. You see represented here local and state officials, union members from the Nursing Association, as well as employees here of Crozer Chester Medical Center, Taylor Hospital, and the health system at large. They are here to essentially protest and demonstrate what elapsed in a federal courtroom in Dallas, Texas earlier this Thursday. Now, not only is the hospital critical to the people who live down here in lower Delaware County, they also employ, according to county sources, upwards of 3,000 people. Sources say, in addition to everything else that's going on, the hospital is in danger of making its next payroll. The hospital also sits entirely in Upland Borough in southern Delaware County. The officials with the borough tell me this would be a massive hole in their budget due to lost tax revenue. Now, the judge is asking, according to sources, all parties to meet in Harrisburg, nose to nose, on Monday to see if they can settle this once and for all. Of course, we'll monitor the press conference and be here with updates throughout the newscast. We're live in Upland. Joe Holden, CBS News, Philadelphia.